This is Fabian Mora from Mora Marketing and 0 Point Business Technologies. This two-part video series is going to cover the 10-part web marketing strategy, basically an overview of the whole system to give you an idea where we are coming from approaching web marketing and your web business. The main products that we operate with are social media. It's a proprietary marketing system based on competitive analysis, keyword research, social media marketing, and the understanding of both neurosocial networking and social network anthropology. This is a new tool that we have coming out, and a new system, a new technology that is supposed to be the driving arm and the marketing arm of the technical aspects, and the operational aspects, which are theme mirroring. This leads into the 10-part web marketing strategy we're going to discuss, and our link building strategies, which of course are about 50% of your technical aspect of your site in order for it to show up to the search engines appropriately. Theme mirroring is what we're going after, basically making sure that there's a consistent theme represented by keywords running along all of your representation online. So your SEO, your main sites, microsites, focus sites, your online PR, press release, media room, and your social media, any profiles you might have, any syndication strategies or blogs or widgets that you may have on your site, everything surrounding your basic theme and market and strengthening. This has a couple of effects. Effects one is that search engines see the connection and give you a higher weight to well-organized and dedicated theme. This will affect your rankings. And the human user is more likely to remain within your portals if you provide support information and services from different sources for different kinds of personas. So this is the process of theme mirroring. The way we achieve theme mirroring is by identifying your business DNA, meaning the 5 to 15 keywords that are representative of your business going to the highest vertical markets possible. And then we look inside those vertical markets to identify and extract the keywords that are profitable and relevant to your business. We look at the 9 different species of keywords created by Russell Wright from ThemeZone. This is a great concept, and it allows us to basically identify the most profitable keywords for your business. We dump them into a 10-part web marketing strategy, which we'll be discussing today, in order to create the theme mirroring effect. And we have a system here of using pay-per-click as far as a feeder to identify new money keywords that are coming into your market and including them into your site blueprint to give you maximum visibility and return on investment. We also take a look at the link strategy, which is very important. So this is the 10-part web marketing strategy. It includes all of the different pieces, which we'll be talking about in the next coming slides. Here is sort of a visual of all the parts. For any one of these, we're looking at processes, inputs, steps, and outputs. Now, part 1 is a discovery strategy. I have a whole nother video dedicated just for this, including what's describing what's included in that and what we take a look at. But this is basically looking at if you have an existing site, if you are looking to create a new site, if you have either one of those two, but you're just looking to create a new product. And this is also where we look at the baseline value assessment of your site based on organic ranking and position and visibility. We kind of there's a system too that we use to give you an idea of what your site is worth. The idea is to take you through this process and have a baseline so that at the end of it we'll show you how much your site has grown in value. Second strategy deals with small-scale testing, and we use pay-per-click, direct response testing methods to test local campaigns, national campaigns, testing concepts. Before you spend a whole lot of marketing dollars into a pitch or into a commercial or into something, you want to test the words being used in that to make sure they're effective. And this is where we extract your web ratios for your website, basically cost per visitor, cost per transaction, all of those things, those numbers that are crucial to your business so that you know how and where to invest most appropriately. We then move on to the business DNA, which is this is the 5 to 15 keywords that represent your business. We do a complete business DNA research, and this feeds into the blueprint, the themes, silos, and articles that we're going to need to your site for it to be competitive. We create a blueprint based on this to attract all of the market that is relevant to you. Continuity strategy, this has to do with the educational, technical, and direct voice. I talk a little bit more about this in the discovery strategy video. It has to do with your front and back end strategy for your client. The lifetime value of your business or your product to the client, as opposed to them just coming and purchasing once. What's their true value if you can hook them and have them become a regular client? And the keyword life cycle strategy, basically taking your keyword and using it in different ways to attract people from all along places of the buying cycle. I'm running a little bit short on time, so I'm going to end here, and I'll pick up with strategy number 5 on the next video. Fabian Mora from 0 Point Business Technologies and Mora Marketing, signing off.